creating a drawing of the F1 in school's car. This activity provides you with an overview of the different Fusion 360 technical drawing tools and capabilities. You will learn how to save your design as a basic 2D technical drawing and show the main dimensions. This is important for your portfolio and engineering judging in the competition, and an important part of documenting designs in the real world of manufacturing. F1 in Schools competition regulations stipulate that you should produce a third-angle projection orthographic drawing. We recommend that you research the requirements of this specific engineering drawing standard before finalizing your orthographic drawing to be included with your competition project submission. Step 1. Creating a new drawing, create orthographic view, and add dimensions. In the browser, you'll see that two bodies are hidden. Right-click and select Remove, or these will show up in the drawing. Select the top feature in the browser window and select Create New Drawing. Give it a suitable name like Orthographic Drawing. Make sure your settings are the same and click OK. You will be taken into the drawing environment. In the View Properties window, select a 1:2 scale. Move your cursor to near the top left of the drawing page. Click to place your car and press OK. Your car will be drawn on the page in Side View. Select Projected Views from the toolbar. Click your car to use this as the parent view to base the others from. Move your cursor directly below the car and click. It will create a plan view. Do the same to create rear and isometric views. Right-click and select OK. To add some dimensions to your drawing, select the Dimension tool on the toolbar. Zoom in on your side view and select the bottom rear of the car. Then select the bottom right of the car. Move your cursor down slightly and then click. The dimension of this part will be shown. Do the same for the width of the car. Now save your work. Now you have successfully edited the existing Autodesk Fusion 360 F1 in Schools car. You can move on to the intermediate tutorial. This will show you how to create your own car design from scratch and how to produce an assembly to include the wheels and show you how to join separate wing components. Before manufacturing your design, you should consider using Autodesk Flow Design software to check your car's aerodynamic properties. Using this software, you will get results and findings to help you tweak some design features to improve performance. Finally, once your design is final and you have committed to manufacture, work through the Autodesk Showcase tutorial, which will guide you through the process of creating stunning 3D photorealistic renders of your car assembly. Just to recap, in the beginner tutorial we learned to create a project, create a new design, create a sketch, create features, open an assembly, design for manufacturing constraints, edit in sculpt mode, check dimensions, export STL files, create a new drawing, add views, and add dimensions to drawings. Thanks, and I hope you'll follow us into the intermediate tutorial.